Welcome back to Tugs, your favorite custom rugs. Hey man, we're about to get ready to do a custom rug for a customer. This rug here is going to be a little bit tedious, man. When I say tedious, there's a whole bunch of little pieces in it. This design is crazy, man. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, it cut off on me. Alright, there we go. Look at this. Oh my gosh, man. It's like a brain, man. Oh my gosh. So I already drew it up, so let's go and see what we got here. So I got it here already drawn up, man. Look at that. This is about to be so tedious, but guess what? The fun part is I'm gonna take you through with me, man. You're gonna see me create this thing. So yeah, so I gotta gather these colors together and hey, let's make one dope piece, man. Let's go. Alright people, that is it. Oh my gosh, that was so tedious, man. That took a little minute, man. That took a little minute, but that was fun. Look at the brain. That is crazy. That is crazy. Man, dope minds. Dope minds. That's what this is. And once we get it shaved all down, the letters will probably pop out a little bit better. I'll get some of those little pieces out that don't belong in between. But yeah, I think that came out pretty good. So I'm gonna send a picture to the customer, see if they like it. Hopefully they love it. I think they will, because this came out pretty good. This is, yeah, this is a dope piece right here. I like that. That came out pretty good. But yeah, man, just got to get this, get the glue on the back, get the backing on, get the tag on. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, please. Hey, like I said in my other videos, if you want to donate to young entrepreneurs of the future, man. Hey, if you want to give back to the youth, so they can to help them with their businesses as well. But hey, I'm gonna see you on the next rug, man. Peace.